syrup, Troy. I told her about the s'mores.
Yay!
Great job.
Okay. I think it's
That's good. Okay, that's it. You just practice doing that, and you're gonna have so much confidence. Did Grandma tell you you had good balance? Did Grandma say you can do this?
She just has to get good with the brakes too, in case she needs to stop for it.
She has to learn.
Yeah.
She doesn't use the brakes.
Like in case a car comes or something
Right.
like that.
You will.
Now, Tatiana, next time practice using the brakes on the bike when you push back
You
on
now
it.
have
stop
the perfect bike
like
for
that,
you,
okay?
right? It's too bad we
What
don't
if-
have it here
what?
today, but when you go home, you have your perfect bike.
And you have to stop.
Yeah,
instead
but
of
I
falling down, you
wanted
have
to bring
put the brakes on.
Yeah, well, the only reason it's here, hers is here, is because Grandpa had to fix everything to make it right.
I'm going to do one more minute. Yay!
Look at Troy running.
Always. She did it in